Baba, I don't come beside, I don't come. Because I don't say you na final bus stop. You get what you do for me the last time I chop am. So this one I want chop am. I want chop this mahoga. That mahoga he say belongs to so stingy association of weight of Nigeria. Mahoga, you get one woman when be the carry come. If you carry that girl come like this, if you hammer the girl, that's when the girl go the mess. Bra. Because the girl dey chop. But now if mahoga carry the girl come, the girl no dey mess again. The girl dey complain. Even me, my girlfriend don't leave me. Because on this Nigerian season, I don't know what they pronounce am. My woman don't run leave me. I beg Baba, I won't make you run am for me. Make I knock a maga. Make him pay.
My son.
Baba.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Baba.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Once I give you this thing, rub this thing to your hand.
Hey! I don't chop am. The idiot, man, come dey do singing. Baba, I will give you something to make it chop. Baba. Baba, take this one. Use and drink water.
Use it well.
Okay, Baba.
Make sure you use it well.
I go use am well. Thank you. I go shout pepper, idiot.
Chai. This stupid boy making no day for house because today now anyhow when be I go show am pepper. If she beam I no go give am today. I swear. I go give am. This poor head. God.
What did you don't come back?
I don't come back. What did they do for house? Lazy youth like you. Your men's like you are hustling. They are hustling. You getting better money. You dey here now. You dey expect. See, you see this food. This is beans and garri.
You go chop.
You go chop with it. You go chop with it.
The beans and garri kwanu.
Beans and garri. This one I want use am for 7 weeks.
Hey. 7 weeks.
This
me and you now.
Yes.
Then you don't go follow chop.
Yes, you go follow shop. Bomb there, they craze. Your men are there now hustling. You no go hustling. This food, she maybe you no go see. They craze.
It means I no go chop this food.
What you go make?
Let me get your secret. Let me know your secret. Ah! Hey! 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 Now you are talking. Hey! Yes, I know your secret. Idiot. I just see you. I think I can come. Now be this one I put this. Where the food?
This food I want use that for 7 weeks.
You want use that for 7 weeks?
Yes.
Oh yeah, drop that.
Hey! Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Money there inside this thing.
2,000 naira there inside, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So where you want to go now? You want to cook the food?
Thank you, sir.
Huh?
I want use that for 7 weeks, sir.
7 weeks. Where the food where they important and you dey carry? In the place? I guess I go get you. I need to make come. Don't touch the animal chop.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Don't touch my chop.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Select and fast fast.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Hey!
I tell you something. What's the thing? Nagari, my drink. Nagari. Nonsense, idiot. Nagari. Put down. Manage. I won't manage them. Oh yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You think say they wise?
Hey.
You are a mumu man.
Hey.
Ayo. What is the number now? This is a shower girl. What the friend?
Jesus
Hello?
is Lord.
Baby? Ayapa. Food break for ground now.
I hear me. Me.
You always tell me that you don't stingy. Food day. You go buy food come. I give a stop. That about me girl and knock am. I go knock am out. Come and go chop. May we chop. May they make for me. Bra.